Hey guys, it's Casey and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a makeup video. I feel like I haven't really done one of these in so long, and it is just kind of like a makeup tutorial, get ready with me without the like chit chat part of it. If you guys have been on YouTube for a long time, then you probably remember back in the day when it was just like makeup tutorials. That's what brought us here, okay? We're like the OGs, Queen of Blending, Time the Infamous, like those girls. So I was like, you know what? Let's just play a makeup. I will definitely be sure to link all the products in the description box, and I just want to let you guys know that this look was inspired by an Instagram artist. Her name is AA.GX, and this is the look that she did. I just thought it was so beautiful, but she did use more of a brighter yellow in the inner corner, while I did more of a gold shade. But I just thought the look was so stunning. I saved it to my phone. I was like, oh my gosh, I have to create this. I will link her Instagram down below so you guys can follow her. Before we jump into the tutorial portion, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And leave some color combinations in the comments of future makeup looks that you guys want me to do, whether that's on YouTube or Instagram. I would love to get inspired by you guys. And yeah guys, let's jump into the makeup tutorial part. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get started. My brows are already done per usual, and I'm going to be using this Morphe Brushes Pure White Concealer as my eyeshadow primer. I've been obsessed with this. I do not set it, and it honestly makes all eyeshadows look poppin'. So for eyeshadows, I'm going to be using the MAC Cosmetics Flame-Boyant palette, and I'm going to start off with the shade Rule, which is a matte shade, and I'm applying that on the outer corner crease area. And then I'm going to be taking Bollywood, and I'm going to be putting that in the crease area but directly in the center, and I will be just blending that into the Rule. So we're just focusing that in the center and just making it mesh into the Rule a little bit, but not going all the way to the outer corner. And you just want to build that color by patting the shade on and then blending out the edges. Now I'm going to be taking Everyone's Darling, which is the matte, very warm brown. It has some reddish to it, and I am placing that on the outer corner in the crease, but not as high as the Rule. We're just bringing that down some, and I'm having that blend into the middle shade, which was Bollywood, as well as the Rule. I know this is very confusing. I was kind of confused doing it myself, but if you guys just watch the steps and if you want to recreate the looks, just play it back. You guys would definitely get it. And as you're blending the shades in, you just want to go back to the previous shade so that all the colors stay intense. Now I'm taking Everyone's Darling again, and on a flat shader brush, I'm just packing that onto the outer corner of my lid and then diffusing the edges, and I'm going to be doing the same thing with Bollywood in the center and then diffusing the edges. Now I'm taking this yellowish gold shade, GoldMine. I did use an individual shadow because I did not have a yellow in the palette, and I'm just putting that in the inner corner crease as well as the inner corner lid, and I'm blending that into the Bollywood. So we just have like this trifecta situation going of just beautiful, warm, blended shadow. And now I'm taking the Maybelline Tattoo Eyeliner in Onyx Deep, which is the black shade, and I'm putting that in the waterline as well as the top lid, but very close. I'm just doing it for my lashes. And now I'm taking the CoverGirl Exhibitionist Mascara and just applying a little bit of that. And we're taking these Cocoa Lashes in GG and popping those bad boys on. Now for skin, I am using the Tatcha, the Silk Canvas Primer. You guys know I love this primer, and I'm just going to make sure those pores are smoothed out, girl. And now I'm taking the NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Tahoe and applying that with my Beauty Blender. To cover up these designer bags, I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer in the shade 41 and applying that in the same place I always apply my concealer, guys, underneath my eyes, you know, nose, top lid, chin, forehead, the whole works. But I'm going to be mixing a little bit of that Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape Concealer in Medium Tan Golden just for a little bit more coverage under the eyes, because we got to hide these designers, okay? And you just want to go ahead and blend that out with your Beauty Blender. Now I'm taking my very beat up black Radiance Pressed Powder in Honey Glow, and I am just pressing that into the skin just to make sure nothing creases. And then I'm going to take my Laura Mercier translucent powder and I'm going to bake. Your eyes are not deceiving you guys. Benefit finally launched deeper shades in the Hoola bronzer, and I got my whole life together, okay? So this is the shade Caramel right here, and I'm just bronzing up my skin and doing a little contouring. I take the brush that Benefit actually gives you with the Hoola bronzer just to snatch my nose. Why nobody ever told me those things were bomb? So now I'm going to save all of them. They're so perfect for like contouring your nose. I was just blessed right now. And just to let you guys know, they even launched a darker shade called Toasted, which I'm going to use just to snatch these cheekbones just a little bit more. Okay, guys, I'm gonna look a real snatch. And now I'm gonna take my Studio Fix powder in NC. For who's texting me? Somebody loves me in NC43, and it's my mom. She does love me. Okay, and I'm just going to set my face. And now I'm taking this Makeup Forever Micro Finishing powder, and I'm just placing that under my eyes. And for my favorite blush of all time, NARS Taj Mahal, such a beautiful orangey golden blush. Now I'm taking the Too Faced Hangover RX setting spray and just spraying my face, making sure everything stays put all day long. And for my highlighter, I'm using the Juvia's Place loose highlighter in the shade Nefertiti. For my lower lash line, I'm going to start off by smoking out Everyone's Darling. But you don't want to take it all the way into the inner corner, because for the inner corner, we want to take GoldMine and just brighten up that lower lash line closer to the inner corner. How many times can I say inner corner? A quadrillion. Okay, next I'm going to take Bollywood and just smoke out the Everyone's Darling with that. We just want that orange to wrap around the eye, and we're just going to take a little bit more of Everyone's Darling and place that on the outer corner. I didn't get a clip of me putting on my lipstick, but this is Cork by Dosa Colors. And yeah, guys, that completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Love you. Bye.